Thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys are having a good day. Today, in this post, we are going to be talking about Band Protocol BANDUSD, and I'm going to be discussing about my predictions, if I am bearish, bullish, what my measure target is to my predictions, and the levels that we have to watch. Okay, so before we begin today, please do read my disclaimer below, as I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I am purely sharing my opinions and speculations, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky. Also, if you guys do want to support me and don't have any of the brokerage accounts below, such as with WeBull, Coinbase, or Binance US, you guys can use my referral link. It will earn you a bonus depending on timing. I know that WeBull is still giving away 2 free stocks upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also earn a bonus at no extra cost to you. And if you guys are watching this on TradingView, please make sure to follow me. Or if you guys are watching this on YouTube, do subscribe, as I'll be coming out with new regular analyses on the top cryptos on my watch list. Now let's begin. So we see that since the September sell-off, as I have mentioned in my past few posts on Band Protocol, we have not gone on top of this blue line, which is the daily 21 moving average. Okay, so since we have gone above this blue line right here since October 9th, that gives me some signals that this market might be reversing. But on today's candle, we are seeing that we might just close back below this daily 21 moving average, which is a bad sign for me, because that was the first signal that this market might just be reversing. Also, what you can see here is since September 24th up until today, we have been making a double top right here, as we have not been able to close above 7.2 on the daily candle. That is a bearish sign, and the support level that I am looking out for is roughly about 5.4, 5.5. This neckline, white line right here, if we do break below this level, okay, the measure target, which is the neckline, which is measured by using the neckline to the top of the head right here, and then you put it right at the neckline. So neckline is kind of roughly estimate. I kind of put a line. I put a line where I get the most touches for support. Okay, and the measure target that I get is about 3.4. Now there are going to be some levels that could be seen as support between the neckline and the measure target. Please also note that the measure target might not be reached at all. It is just theory and textbook. It might not be reached at all, so do note that. But it's not hope, okay? Do take that with a grain of salt. So with that said, the obvious level I can see as support here is the daily 200 moving average, which is the orange line, and the Fibonacci level, the last fib level before full retracement, okay? So those are my levels of support, but I am bearish on this market right now. The other thing to look for is also Bitcoin dominance. Now, the chart that I was focusing on was the 12-hour chart on Bitcoin dominance, because we have seen a pretty apparent head and shoulders pattern right here, and that's a bearish pattern on Bitcoin dominance. Now remember, a bearish pattern, when Bitcoin dominance goes down, that is usually good for altcoin trading, okay? And we have been being held down. Bitcoin dominance have been being held down by this, the 12-hour 200 moving average, which is the orange line, okay? So getting above this orange line, closing above this orange line, is a bad sign for me and a bad sign for the altcoins. So this is also something to be watching out for. If we get a candle close above this orange line right here, I am going to be very cautious trading altcoins. But if it does close and this head and shoulders pattern plays out, I'll be keeping an eye out on, and that would be a good sign if this head and shoulders pattern plays out. But the first thing I'm going to be looking for is the price action on Bitcoin dominance going to retreat back to this neckline right here, which is about 59.4%. If it does, I do see that as a good signal, and Bitcoin dominance might just be pulling back. Okay, so these are the things I'm looking for in terms of signals on either that would be switching, either I will be flipping from bearish to bullish or vice versa. Okay, so I hope you guys have found this video helpful, and please give me a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys have any ideas, feedback, disagree, agree, and I'll see you guys next time.